Hey guys, welcome back to my comedy compilation. Today is another hit one from crityreacts. Stay tuned, don't touch the dial. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share my video, and make sure you leave your thoughts in the comment box below. Without further ado, let's quickly dive into this comedy compilation video. Oh yeah, make we dey go.
You took my joke here. Yodi Kana. To the prison yard, what are you doing?
Your head not correct.
You are telling me.
Do you think we are this roadside police? We are not. I promise you, you're going to rot in jail.
I don't have this.
Waiting.
What's going on here?
We caught this criminal with Adam drug.
Hard drugs? What kind of hard drugs is that?
We caught him with Kana. You go to jail, took my joke with you.
You caught him with Kana?
Yes.
What's the meaning of Kana? How do you know Kana is a drug? How do you know it's illegal? What's the meaning of Kana? Why are you holding the young man? I can see politician here.
You don't get out.
Our tomorrow leader. Don't you know? Don't you? It's like I don't know the law. You're doing the wrong job here. Don't you know section 202? You are against the law. You can go to jail for this. Holding a young man with Kana. This is very wrong now. You have to be protecting the citizen criminal out there.
Really?
What's going on? I don't understand you.
Look at my face.
Please remove this thing.
Okay, open it. Open now.
Blood of Jesus.
Wait there. I don't understand you. You reach like 3 gram a day with you.
Yes, sir.
I crush and get back with me.
We are in business. We are in business now.
This is a huge business, I bet, because of canal.
Father Lord, in the mighty name of Jesus, as I leave the house, I pray for open doors.
Big doors, open doors. We will see the open doors that is going to come your way. And I hope you're going to take it. You have not seen anything. You are patrolling anyhow.
Dissolve.
Come outside. The doors don't open.
And that's
Who are
true.
you?
Officer, I'm a citizen of this country.
You're a citizen of the country. What's in your bag?
Not the officer.
Where are you from?
Benin.
Where in Benin?
Upper.
Hey! You Chris, raise up your hand before I blow your head to pieces now.
You join court, I mean no join court.
Officer, I'm a content creator.
Kill him out! You join court, have you not joined court?
They will force you to say what you are not.
You join courts, I mean you no join court.
I join court.
Oh.
Officer, I make court. It's a social media platform that helps you turn your talent into money. Just by uploading your videos, music, and podcasts. You can show your creativity there and earn money there. The app is on Play Store and App Store.
You mean courts?
Exactly. That is it. Oh, yeah, court.
After when I fast did that video, so I will post that from courts. With this smack whether you're back, if police see you now, how you want to tell us you not in court?
I beg court.
Everything is just all about cut. Let's see HomeOfLafta.
Sharp. The turkey don't come. You sure say after you finish this turkey, you follow me go as man chop you.
Wow.
Your hand too fast. You almost think how many want to sign?
Fine.
But it's Deji somewhere.
What's going on here?
Over to you.
You have to sign here. Say, if you shop this turkey, when you reach house, Pluto must shop you. 3 times in the morning and 3 times in the evening. Fill in your NIN and sign below.
Oh, now you the sign, you know the sign. All this start happening that day, thank you.
Barrister.
Because of turkey. You cannot just close your hand and let it turkey slide.
Barrister!
Let him cut.
I need a shorty. When they start Abuja with one landed property, we'll say one precisely.
Do you have one?
For turkey again.
You the see turkey finish you.
And the craze make us bring land. I don't go use the money go buy turkey dozen.
Beautiful. Hello. Look so beautiful. Beauty without brain. Sorry. Beauty with brain. Come.
And you still go. You're not supposed to go. Someone has already insulted you. And you are still women.
Call your account number. Let me give you 1 million for being beautiful.
Oh, thank you. 617.
Each 1 million.
Who are you?
Never pay your rent, they talk 1 million. Now because of say you were it is every fine you go to give am money. Come go, never pay rent. Come.
Funny.
Sky, Sly. Now your brother be this.
Yes.
This idiot promise person 1 million for being beautiful, and he never pay rent. Una dey drink garri.
God forbid.
Oga landlord, I beg you. A person promise person Lambo, need na 1 million naira promise.
Limau.
Do you know how much gonna worth? Promise somebody with Lambo. That doesn't even have Gary. Promise him.
You're the only one that have the spoon that can dish from the pot of my heart. I want you in my life forever. I promise you, after this is marriage.
Lie.
Don't be scared. That's my dad.
Yes. Relax. You love my daughter, right?
Of course.
I love her. And you want to marry her? If I marry after this. Lawyer Kulen, now you come in.
We are in business. We are in business now.
Sign it.
I want to do business.
This is serious.
You?
Swear, you don't leave our daughter after this.
Papa, I for do am, but they don't change now. They go.
Wait a minute.
What exactly are they looking for?
How come you managed to have that child?
But they show you video evidence.
Evidence, but you don't know how to do it.
You calm down. You said today on your birthday, so I get surprise package for you.
Surprising. Okay. You may collect me baby from my hand yesterday, and I was surprised me today. I may make a young.
Keep quiet now.
Which happened?
Surprise.
Erica with Sleep Talker. Where Erica takes his Sleep Talker only. And that's Sleep Talker's babe. Sitting on Erica's lap like that. If this guy verse, Wala go share you.
Alpha, your babe don't make Baba verse. So just find my just small thing. Man, take home my side.
No, I don't know a problem now. Use this small thing to hold your side.
Hey! How many of you remember this guy?
How many of you remember this guy? I love that song. Go and stream it, guys. That song is very nice. Erica feature feel no.
What's happening? No mind you, my pikin don't they try traveler since for vacation. They just they do it like this. But as person just introduce her to manage travel. My pikin just travel. They even get one package where they come out from the 19th to 27th of May, where then they visit Qatar and Kenya. If now one person, na 3.5. If they be couple, na 6.9 million. I know that bother about anything, no. Because then they cover both your flight ticket, accommodation, daily breakfast, and many more. What is it make I help you do again?
Yeah, we come say make help me do the way they make person disappear. But if like say you leave her,
I fit one.
No, Baba, you leave her now because I don't understand. The first time you say thank you, Jesus, I know. The second time you say your pikin they use flight tram, I won't do the way they make me disappear. Baba, you leave her more.
My pikin come.
If you touch me, I'll swear for you.
Humble Smith is a crazy man there. That is very hilarious word from Humble. Oh, I said Humble Smith.
Hello, Chef Man.
Mercy, Humble Mercy. Mercy. Happy.
Finally, I've gotten the job, and my salary is 1.5 million in a week.
1.5 million in a week?
Yes, baby.
Which company be that?
Oh, babe, never mind. I'll resume work this evening.
1.5 million a week. Come on. Shana! Cameraman, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Young lady, listen to me. I want you to give us your best in this video. On action, climb the bed and make sure you give this guy over here better opue. You don't say they don't agree, say that they want this type of our video. I want this video to hit from 100 million views. Are you ready? Now, young man, are you ready?
Director, my machine no even start to, but I'll try my best.
Not lie. How your engine want take start? You and sugar na 5 and 6. If you want drink tea, 42 cubes of sugar, only you. I don't
It is not called by sugar.
I don't catch you. This is not be the 1.5 million naira work where they give you to the art popcorn, Abi. Young man, How did you get in here? No worry, your kiss men go hear them. I married you people for my house. Under my no be say they lack anything. Tell me say, I want to be going out. I want to get my own job. I give you the opportunity. Now popcorn you want on the art. No worry, your kiss men go hear them. Meet me at home.
Okay, calm down. Thank God you are even here. This man here wants to spoil my shoot. I don't know whether we go fit use you replace this guy.
Oh, you want to introduce me into your popcorn too? After I don't carry my wife put, by the time I knock you lawsuit, you don't know why you miss me in court. You see what you do to yourself.
Oga, we are talking about 5 million naira here. If you can even give us 3 sums, I'm ready to pay you 10 million naira cash.
He will agree. You don't know him. Money boy.
Was I shouting just now?
Not be juju be that.
They shout. Now so I just the ginger leave that thing. My money they just 10 million. That I'm in.
Ah, babe.
Who is your baby? Do you know me? Do I know you?
For where?
Stop yourself, bro. Action, fast, eh?
Sir,
We
wait.
don't know each other.
Don't be in a hurry. Remember, we agreed on 3 sums. Eh? Just hold on. James!
Hope it is not the kind of that James I'm expecting.
Mr. James. Ha! I'll be the one to do you while you do her. I don't do girl.
Hey!
You do a handicap.
Oh my God! Why you slap our princess?
No man, what is wrong with you?
How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay.
Oga, if you see that thing finish, climb bed, no make me vex. Remember, see your leg no good. My engine don't start.
James, don't worry. We'll devour him together.
So your engine will not start just because of he's a man. That is the block pass there.
Don't do girls.
Like these guys are actually trying acting this character.
Jesus! Who give you the best of points to my room? When I knock my bed! You want to get bad one? That could have one of the flop. You be there! I'll be there!
He shock you.
Yeah, come on there. Yeah. Let's go there.
This is cause for a great celebration! In fact, put it like my bed! Jesus!
Go on.
Chairman, you scatter your laptop! Forget about the laptop! The money we collect will cover everything! It will change our life! Which life you want change? You know how much I collect? Why you not go tell me how much the Korean woman drop? Which Korean? Now cooking woman! Jesus! He said 90 and 15 naira, no 200, 8 and 15 naira, everything come with 300! Now, before we trade the card, how much my percentage? Jesus!
I'll just throw you up from the up to the down. Nonsense. This one is from what's this guy's name? This big head. I always forget his name. I don't know why. Like this comedy is actually one of town like one. Please don't mind me because of the background sound. I had to silence it because we are trying to avoid copyright claim. That copyright claim, these people are really not playing with us. Just have to silence it. But
So, young man, you are welcome. Are you sure you can deliver?
Sir, me also make me contest say I fit deliver if you give me 1 chance.
Well, if you say so, the stage is yours.
Voila. Let's watch this video. Some few minutes.
Unlike one babe wey I meet for Aja, she give me love and I care for her back. Steady with the knack, now me be baba. If you see her backside there, haba. But I no like wahala. I get big cassava. Kola long reach Nasarawa.
Well, from my observation here, you are very, very good. But just go home. I'll get back to you.
Sir, please don't let me go. You don't throw me all the way for this opportunity. And me don't be able to see you so. Show me love.
So why are you not bringing out your tongue and shining your eye in my studio? Well, we go sign you, but now you go dey back of studio. They sweep, they mop the studio. Is that okay by you?
It's okay by me, sir. As far as me, you feel the see Rasta Yansh.
Who be this boy? Are you ready to become a star or you're trying to
where you go?
I won't go charge my phone now.
You know say my socket don't work for that. I inside my room, my socket.
Now there they go now.
Wait. Now you follow parents. I don't use all my last card, go sow seed for church.
See, neighbor, I'm no longer 16, no. I'm not 18. No come they see me like small pikin, no.
Madam, if you like, you're 25 years. I was raised well. You cannot come inside my room dressed like this. Go and make a place, go charge phone.
That money they pay there now.
Oh.
You should say no be gay.
That's what he is. That's what he is.
This is temptation. I said this is temptation. Girl, you got.
That's it.
That guy is an F1 boy.
Remember what you told
Brother is Sony.
Yes, Papa.
And not just what we told you. What we taught you, make sure you adhere.
Yes,
and as
Papa.
newlywed couple, happiness is the key prize.
Yes,
when next we
Papa.
come, make sure you keep prize.
You are
Not be tight. We've told ourselves that because of these teachings you've taught us, when we celebrate our 1 year anniversary, 1 car for you, 1 car for you, 1 plot of land for you, 1 plot of land for you.
Yes, Papa. Babe, who is peace? We have talked about this, baby. I can't do this again. I'm leaving. I'm done. I can't
come here. Who is done here? Are you
Papa,
When you guys are already planning to give us
what is going on?
This is not the
not
first time.
going
Asking who is
anywhere.
peace every time.
Bro, who is peace?
Papa,
Peace.
Papa.
If I pieces your mouth. Who is peace?
Papa, see me. I'm done. I quit. I quit this marriage. I don't want to do it.
Come now.
Papa.
Which one is you call it quiz? Call it something else. Call it marital issues or something.
Marital crisis.
Papa, please.
See,
Papa.
It's easy. Other people in their marriage, this peace you are fighting about now. Other people are looking for peace in their marriage. They don't have
It's not
it.
even about peace. Okay, ask him who is gift. Every day he brings gift into this house. Papa, ask him who is gift.
Bro, who is this?
Gift is our love language.
But now you've heard what he said now. He said gift is your love language. That is why he's bringing gift to the house. This is your love language.
Close mouth. It's because of you they're trying to settle you here. You're saying
Papa, me, I'm leaving this marriage. Me, I'm leaving this marriage.
What is your
Okay,
problem?
Papa, ask him. Do you know that early in the morning when he wakes up, he doesn't pray, he doesn't read his Bible. He's on a phone call with who? Helen. Papa, ask him who is Helen.
This guy is cheating.
Yeah. You're talking to Helen in the morning. Don't you know that Helen can bring hell in this relationship?
Papa, I'm leaving this marriage. I'm done.
You
I'm
come,
done.
you come. Leave. Who is inside the house? Your husband here.
Let me tell you something about relationship. What you people need now in this relationship is peace and harmony.
Yes, Pastor James. Can't you read the room? They're complaining about peace. At least you can leave harmony there.
My bad. What you need now is harmony. And
Papa,
this,
harmony is what is in the woman too.
okay, harmony is a little. And what you people need now is just something that can keep you at least for 1 year.
At least 1 year. Let all of us celebrate the anniversary and we'll be happy.
So please.
Please. As we are leaving now, I don't want to hear any complaint. Please, I can't meet your husband. All
Papa,
these
leave me.
No, I think let's celebrate that 1 year of anniversary so that the cars and the land, everything will come to us. No. One thing I will not tolerate is the man beating his woman. I will never tolerate. It's the other way around. Okay. Pan-African woman.
Jesus, blood.
Papa, come and see.
Come and see. I'm gonna leave before I cry.
Papa, come and see blood.
Woman of Pan-African.
Who see them will think they are caring. They don't know that they are fighting for their plot of land.
Hello, good afternoon, sir. Afternoon. Sir, that lady said she needs financial assistance from you.
That lady?
Yes, sir.
Well, I don't know her.
I don't know, sir. She just told me she needed financial assistance from you, sir.
Okay, let's go.
All right, sir.
But you know, it's better person.
Hello.
Hi.
You said you needed my financial assistance.
I need your financial assistance.
Yeah.
When did I say that?
You said so.
When did I tell you that?
Asa, you come. That means you get. Na me need them.
Humble mercy, this guy I think is getting crazy every day, man. For you to come, honestly, you have the money. So help a guy, don't be silly, man.
Come, this our friendship self. Una no dey share update.
My boy, relax on the day.
Relax. I don dey follow una dey smoke since 4 months dey come now. Lost all the damage dey go and I never collect money.
Boy, my mental idea and stick for here. Yeah, wait now. I just tie this for my passes or give you now. Make it deal.
Person tell you say mental idea at stake. You wan give her exposure. No be craze. You wan make the boy craze o. You your mental idea at stake. You no go baff.
I wan use and see front.
Okay, where you dey see since na back? Which kind of friendship be this? Person never progress. Because the journal na make una give her update. E no still dey progress.
Just dey do your things. God dey bless everybody.
My thing dey favour me now. Cause journal na. I wonder. By right, if my things dey go well, me and una for be friend. I no wan do my thing again. Na your thing I wan do.
Go bomb.
You, if you dey bomb, you go dey here.
God drag wisdom leave. Make your brain open.
The one na dey smoke this igbo, Una the smoker like say best smoker of the year. They had this.
Oh boy, give me the cigar if you don't want smoke.
Take. Now cigar na kill your pa. Now the same line you want to enter.
But take this one, I don't time and finish.
You. One day, I go wrap sawdust give you smoke. As you light up, man, now your beer the fire I go to start to cash.
No. Only you carrying all these babes for lunch. Can you afford them?
You come your way and they come their way, or you come here with them?
No, I came with them.
Hey! So, both of you, maybe collabo where you do.
You don't want? Yeah, they are my friends.
I call you, say come there, you carry your friends.
Baby, come on, they are my friends. I chill with them. They can hear you.
They can hear me. You know my pocket. You don't know what they in my pocket.
But they can take anything, just water.
Water not their house. Water their house. You carry them come. You don't know my pocket.
Relax. They can take anything.
There is water at home.
Anything not their house. What be your name?
Bettina.
Okay. Bettina. What about you?
I'm Abigail.
You.
I'm London.
You not get boy.
Yes, I am.
You get boy.
Yes.
Call and say they only right now. You get boy. What about you? Both of you go house.
That is the fact. Both of you that are single go out because we cannot afford you here. You that have boyfriend, call
Look at this. You look like we're a couple. You are joking.
Yes, couple of friends.
How can you drop your phone closer to the page and you go deep inside to do what? Later, if the water back it out, you start crying at them.
Viewers, emotional damn. See the woman. If you know see the woman, you that fast. Viewers, emotional damn.
You look so beautiful. Just waste my time, man. I think that's
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
You took my breath away. I don't mind dying for you.
Don't worry, you will still die. Because this water was actually poisoned. I was planning on taking my life.
Huh? Wait, oh.
Probably will die today.
That one a pick up line though. I'm not that serious. Give me antidote, please. Here is a chief taking his girlfriend for shopping. But I have to silence the background sound, which is Odumodu pity this boy, because we're trying to avoid some copyright claim. These people, they are not joking at all. Small music like this. The chick doesn't know how to tell the girl that I don't have money, but let's see how it goes. This one is a wicked thing. Oh my God! Hey. So after catching her now, opportunity. I think the chief and the other bouncer there, the security man there, they plan it together. But the other guy stole his phone and put it in his girlfriend's bag. It wasn't aware of his plan.
Ross, I don't know.
Okay, welcome.
I don't buy plantain.
200. But wait, who you vote for?
Now to know I vote for.
Plantain at 4,000.
Jesus!
Okay, why don't know?
Jesus.
Welcome, Oga.
I don't buy plantain, how much?
Who you vote for?
Which one be say who I vote for? I want to buy plantain, they ask me who I vote for.
Now who you vote for?
Now Obi I vote for.
Plantain at 200.
How much last?
Because you vote for Peter Obi. You carry him 150.
Hey! Yeah, Paka.
God. You that vote for that guy.
God. Boss, you come around 4,000 just now. We'll go and kill you. I be they mad. The time when they vote for Tinubu, I send you. Now I can't give you Tinubu price, you they complain. How much I call out for you before?
Now 4K call out.
In short, plantain at 10K.
Jesus.
I don't know is the last comment of the fool.
Babe, now, but don't want to get this car today.
What did you talk?
Hey!
What be this?
What's going on here?
People think I shut that shop. Bro, people think I shut that shop.
What is happening here? Like, what are you acting, guy? Your comedy is somehow. This girl automatically become a woman, a guy, and this is confusing. I say it's confusing.
So, babe, are you ready?
Where are you going to now?
No worry. We go meet for location.
You want me to be following you? You can't stop.
You can't wait there.
There's no food to go.
I want your food.
Hello.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Please, you guys are making a lot of noise. I'm trying to take a nap. Can you just hold it down?
I'm very sorry. Keep it down, okay?
Thank you.
All right.
Wait till they want this one. Who will be this one?
Just one hand. You never get muscle.
You have a people like this guy.
You're still making noise.
Straight.
Making noise? I asked you to hold it down.
Get over here.
What be this?
Look at someone that said they are disturbing her. It's now the worst.
Fine girl, why you won't collect money when no be own now? Are you drop on there?
I wonder.
No stand up like that. No stand up like that. Make I show you as you go to stand up. People they watch you.
People for me.
And the grace. Oh yeah,
You can't shame.
follow me. Oh yeah, let's go.
Mazi, you are wicked. She had to do it because
from
if
there they go out
she don't do
From there they
it,
go. Yeah.
she will be disgraced.
Obedient girl.
She had to do it.
Drag now.
Cover her shame. Everybody eyes on her.
Okay, what? Festus, in Igbo. You dey smoke Igbo. This boy where you see here, them get money. In family they rich. You self, you know even they rich in vitamin. In family they useful, now him choose to they useless. Now you want follow him they useless. If he smoke Igbo mad, in papa go fly him abroad. Festus, ask yourself if you mad, how go do him now? Your own now, when you mad, you go enter market, Ironco market. Come they carry stone, they pursue people up and down. Festus, make a first carry stone. I dey wait for you for Ironco market. Any day when you mad, if you stone me, I'll stone you for back head. Festus, Zuzuwe, okay?
If you were the one, are you going to still continue? Fear will catch you now.
Come on, this one enter. Drag now.
He said?
Drag now.
You know you're my own photo. If I'm mad, how then go do it?
Show Yahweh really. Show
Brother Bobby.
My God.
Pastor.
How you doing now?
I dey fine, Pastor.
I bet no verse, eh? You know, say since when the church give you 70,000, maybe you take learn keyboard. You know they come to church again. What's going on?
I don't upgrade past my church now.
I just say, man.
After we give you
you don't upgrade past the church.
Yes,
So
sir.
you know they come the church again. Yeah, no problem. Bring the 70,000 when the church give you to go learn the keyboard.
You don't know this pastor.
We 70,000 because if the pastor never can leave you, my call boys will timber out for you.
I mean, they talk to like this.
I know.
You will not make grace in Christ.
I don't understand.
Radical pastor with radical grace. They tell me say you don't understand.
Pastor.
And they talk to like
Hey,
this.
Papa.
Oh, so you know say I be Papa, Abi? You know say I be Papa, Abi?
Give me that 70,000 when the church give you. They give me the place.
Why did you catch him like that? Voila.
Buy car for a girlfriend. Ah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Okay. Sir, please, can you assist me with 200 naira? I want to buy pure water.
200? Jesus Christ! That's what they do. Criminals. So if I say I know this smart knife, I drag my phone. All these people will get them. But get them from here. Come get them from here. Criminals. Thief. Jesus. That's what this guy they do. If I say I know this smart knife, I drag my phone. See person won't help. No, nonsense girl. Criminals. All these people will get. That's what they do. You get locked today. Jesus. Madam.
This young boy may end up going mad.
For your mind, you are smart. They have exchanged your phone with slippers.
Just because I asked you to wash my clothes and hang them. Is that why you say you are leaving my house? Am I a child? Every time you are sending me unnecessary errands. If it's not wash plate, tomorrow wash my car, iron my clothes. What is it? You look like a child. I'm leaving this house. I'm 30 years of age. I'm grown. No, you are grown.
There is no enjoyment outside, though.
You not talk back at me in my own house. I'm a big boy. That's all. I want to live like
Don't
a
be
big
a
boy.
prodigal
I can stop my own. I can do without you. You think I will call you?
Not.
So send me money. I have 250k in my account. That will be more than enough. Listen, don't look for me. Do not look for me. Solo. I can't take it anymore. Solo. Hey, now don't touch me. You spoil this boy. Don't touch me.
Hey, Solo! And this is another one. Classic and standard, just the way you want it.
I like this one.
Okay. But this one yearly is 1.2 million naira. Then agent fee, caution fee, service charge, and agreement 200k each. Total package 2 million.
And you have to
Let's go to my office so I'll make payment.
I want to buy a house or full. Oh my God. Now you know the value of what you have been receiving, the good treatment. You're going to value it right now. Rubbish.
If you not get me,
you know, if you have not experienced outside, you think you are the most.
Papa, good evening, sir.
Clapper for Jesus. Clapper for Jesus.
Better person. What's going on here?
Mama, you don't get dirty clothes.
No.
This is who cannot even wash his own clothes. He's even now washing everybody's clothes because he had learned his lesson.
Bolaji, how now? What do you do for you? Today na my birthday now. We dey celebrate her for here. Your babe? I go lie for you. Today na my birthday. We dey also celebrate her for here now. Really? That is double celebration. Music for there. Then what? You never change. Hey, your baby, you know why you? No guy though. I just say my show face, you know, since we do for love. This guy the craze, so babe.
Are you mad?
Hey! Who be the key? Who be your babe? Guy. Why they call my babe your babe?
Guys, I can explain.
Babe.
And that is the real guy.
Babe,
That
who are
is
these
the real
ones?
guy.
these people,
Yeah.
they are my younger brothers.
Your brother?
Yes.
My in-law.
That I've been using them to.
Calm down. You have escaped. Calm down. You have escaped. Calm down.
They don't chop on our money, they don't use na toto. Younger brothers. The real guy is the one that owns that car.
Nah, you're hungry. I will break this fast too.
Omo Osaka, calm down. Check time now. 5. In the next 2 hours, I will see you chop. The sub go no dey easy. Because I can't break this pattern, Allah go best for you. And then Lala, when you die, go here fire. You go don't break partners, you don't already swear, you don't try. Just go ahead. Around 7 you go chop.
Are you sure Osaka can do this? That is when you be seeing different kind of scents. Fresh.
Osaka, you don't break your past, no. Allah go best for you. Allah go forgive me. But if I know this food die now, I'm not go forgive myself.
Subhanallah.
Person will never eat. Person will never eat. I want to listen to the word of God.
I don't know. You guys to eat.
Madam, I beg, like, give me like 12 fufu. Like, give me 2 talk. You know, put on like 5.
That's okay.
I beg, sharp.
How would a fellow student collect your school fees?
Sharp now.
And you keep quiet. That's okay. A fellow student collect your school fees and you keep quiet. Is it the one? That's okay. Are you the one that is collecting a fellow student's school fees? You think it's a You are doing a bombastic jagbajantis. It is what? It is called a bombastic jagbajantis.
Sir, that is not how it happened.
How did it happen?
Come make I tell you how it happen.
How did it happen?
Sir, that guy in a better way, I go chop and I still owe in school fees. I go share and 50-50. I go give you your I give you your own share.
We are in business. We are in business.
This thing you are doing is actually not good.
I'm a wicked man.
It's not good. This thing you are doing is not good. You can't be cheating a fellow student. That's okay. We'll find it. Come. Pass this place. Go like this. That's okay. Don't worry. There's a way I handle cases like that. I will deal with him. And you too, you don't have sense. How would you let somebody to collect your school fees and you are looking? That's okay. Don't worry, I'll call the principal for you. Okay?
How, Chim? You never see anything.
My phone. Mentor! Hey!
Now you take a serious and a drastic action because you thought that this is a plain matter.
I'm calling and nobody busy. Why? So I don't like this job. Why are they? Because you said that
collecting bribes. Collecting the person of collecting
see me them and both killer the cow. Because you say inside the car. Killer sitting inside the car. See, because you say real mafia thing. So you say you the area we with the runner. But see me, if you fast you show you read that. You know what you do. You make them again come because you want we want. You do for China. We be real killers. We be real killers. I don't watch even if they do. You think say they use gun and things. We they use knife and screw the class from. See we my gang. You know the drivers that they bring away the kill them. This is real gangster. Let's go. Check the number. Killer, you come here, go. Let's go, man. See me them are real gangsters. Go show you real. Killer, go. I tell you something, killer. Shit, man. Killer, move the car. See, we go see. Make we reach there. You think say they use gun? We go show you real knife and screwdriver. Killer, we will go. You know the drivers that they bring there they kill. This one not be a border driver. We go show you real mafia. We don't play, bro. We don't play. We go show you. Shit, man. Gang enough fight.
Exactly what I will do. I will just. That's what you misunderstand. I think they're actually taking that guy for somebody else for him, something like that. I don't know. Your guy is an armed robber by profession.
Dr. Nduka is here, aka sustain your marriage. I'm here with Okini Jofo, the medicine that will make you perform like a man that you are.
Bros, let's come.
I mean, what's with this? Okay, this one Okini Jofo. You start around 1, end around 4. See here. Okay, once you drink a man, you get the fire like exhaust for motorway don't spoil. You can just the fire, power. You don't test them before? Okay, I no fit test them. Man no go chop my gain, but they work.
Just have you trust you?
Okay, why no go trust me? Person married 2 wives with 5 children. You supposed to trust me now. I'm a man of integrity.
How much?
3,200 naira.
Pay your account number for. Tomorrow, you go help me bring some come the house. I'm ask that.
I don't see that lot. Okay, need you for alcoholic bitter. You start around 1, you end around 4. Okay, need your for. I am here to save marriages in Lekki. Take my call to do. This guy now. I know best. Wait, this is now. Okay, hold up the mainland. Okay. Chum, this one. Okay, this one and Zobu alcoholic bitters. This one.
Hey, alcoholic bitters.
Okay, this one no worse. This one wicked.
Are you serious?
Don't test them before. Okay, never test her. This one cost. I don't want to chop my gain. But ma tell you, no use and forget we plan to marry you. No use and forget we love. Use and forget we want my treaty. This one how much? Okay, this one is 4,000 naira. Okay, wait. Before you use them, if you want to climb the gate, take 2 shots. Okay. If you don't top them, take 2 shots. As you come down, take 2 shots. Oh yeah. Okay, take a miss in a person picking. Okay, come on. At the outside. I carry a fantachuko bomb to come.
Oh, fantachuko bomb. Oh, fanta.
Babe. What should I do for my customer?
Babe, what? You waited the last 2 minutes, man. Inside.
Hey! See how long? Oh, God, my babe you carry. Hey, now you say you don't want to chop your gain now. Nah, I don't want to chop your babe. What say you can't gain? No problem. After all, no pain, no gain. This one a 9.5.
Make I come and suffer because of what stranger go talk.
Gentuu is a crazy man. You know what you can't gain. You don't want to chop your gain. I don't want to chop your babe. What are you going to gain? Like, can someone tell me why they crying?
My in-law. I dey marry una sister. Una supposed to be happy now. Why not the cry?
Yes, let me check my camera.
My brother, this one I be tears of joy. You no go know what you don't do for us. We just dey happy say this our sister don't come off our house. This our sister when you marry so now thief. We just dey happy say she don't come off our family. Abego, na me be cameraman. They don't thief my phone. Sandy, for your wedding.
And she's actually a thief.
No, forbid this, no, forbid this.
Listen to this.
Babe, I'm ready to leave.
Hey, where are you taking the full carton of Indomie to?
Oh, babe, have you forgot to? You said if I'm going back to school, I should take some Indomie. So I'll take the full carton.
Jesus!
Nigeria they go use the guy until they see the right person.
Now, which kind of problem is this? Which kind of relationship I don't go enter? Enter kitchen, go collect more Indomie. We go use guide for the weekend. Now you go carry my full carton of Indomie.
Hey!
Come on, let me ask you. Are you my girlfriend or a tax collector? Stop. Even wicked their tax force never collect this kind of thing wey collect inside 1 month of relationship. Which kind of problem is this now?
The first to follow on.
Kitchen wey big like 2-bedroom flat, wey full stuff full everywhere. As I start to date you now, it not small like Lekki their boys quarter. Which kind of problem is this one now? Hey.
Babe, why are you shouting? It's just 1 carton of Indomie. Are you not supposed to treat me like a baby?
Baby, they chop full carton.
Does baby eat full carton? Is it not little? They cannot even finish.
What's going on here?
And now you say I should treat you like a baby. You are finishing 1 carton. No. Oh, shh.
Get out of here.
She's gone. I can now do whatsoever I want. I should start calling all the babes from Lekki, Calabar, Port Harcourt, Abuja, Lagos, Victoria Island. Let them be coming. I think that is why this man is dancing. Or maybe he has been telling the mother or the woman to go for a very long time. She has been resisting, but right now she used something. Chase her away.
He shot you.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Thank you. This is the end of this comedy compilation. We really appreciate you guys for sticking around till this moment. Thank you, and please don't go. Kindly subscribe if you have not, and also like, share, and comment. You just have to comment, leave your thoughts in the comment box below. I begin to notice something like I don't usually get views as usual. Other creators, like content creators who actually does the same niche, the same compilation video as me, we don't get views as usual. Wait, let me find myself. I don't know what is going on. I don't really know. Well, I've consulted the YouTube team and they told me the reason. So I hope they fix the error very soon. So before that, please keep liking my video, and we're doing our best to make sure we put smile on your faces. But you should also put smile on our faces by liking what we do, commenting, engaging on our content. By doing so, YouTube will keep recommending our content further to wider audience, because they'll feel people are really interested on our content. But if you don't like, if you don't comment, they will feel like maybe people are not interested on our content, and they will not push it any further. They will just leave it as we upload. So that is how it is. So as for Talkless Comedy, I am officially stating that you're not going to be seeing Talkless Comedy on my channel. I am not going to be adding Talkless Comedy on my content or on my compilation video. As for those of you who are fans of Talkless, you should bear with us, because the reason is because Talkless actually wrote me and they actually claimed some of their videos on my content, so I had to delete some videos. It is just only one content of each comedians I must put in the compilation to make it longer. But this time around, Talkless claimed his content, and the only way I can remove the claim is by deleting that part where Talkless content shows or appears on my video. But I was trying to do that immediately. I saw the copyright takedown notice, but I wasn't able to do it because there is a copyright claim on the video. So whenever there is a copyright claim on any video, there is no way you can edit it. There is no way you can remove that part that was copyrighted until that person removes or cancel the copyright claim. Then you can be able to go to your YouTube Studio editor and cut out that particular part that that was claimed by the owner of the content. So I had to write them, and after getting the message, the takedown notice message from YouTube gave me their email, and I had to write them, and I told them that there is no way I can delete my full video because you guys are claiming just a 1 minute video of your content on my video. So I pleaded they should cancel the copyright takedown notice so that I can remove their own parts, their claimed parts, so that my video will start showing to people. But they have not replied. I have not gotten any response from them. I hope to get a response from them, because if I don't, there is nothing I can do. If I don't, there is nothing I can do, rather than to delete the full video. But that is a big cheating. Deleting the full video is actually a big cheating, because the owners of those videos did not claim it. Only Talkless claim it. So I have to remove only Talkless Comedy on my video. But this time around, they have not replied me, so I'm hoping for them to reply. So that is the issue I'm actually facing right now. And I really want to say thank you guys for sticking around, and thank you for your support. Thank you. We are growing gradually, and I think we're going to grow more like this, because we started uploading our shorts. You can check our short videos where we upload funny short videos. The aim is to put a smile on all my fans and my followers, my subscribers' faces. Alright, going to see you guys on our next comedy compilation. Expect more banger from us. Have a wonderful time. Peace out.